Welcome. In front of me I have the new HUAWEI Band 6, and today I will go over unboxing along with a quick overview of it. So let's just get straight in there. Nothing in here, so let's just yeet that to the side. Get the watch straight in here, and not the greatest presentation, but let's be honest, I don't care. The watch itself should matter more. In here, cable and paperwork. So some magnetic cables, you can see right here, just kind of magnetically attach it to these 2 points, and it should be charging. Now, one of the key selling points I would believe of this device is the charging speed of it. So they boast that apparently for like 5 minutes of charging you should get 2 days of battery life, and the device itself supposedly lasts about 14 days. Now that does matter depending on how you use this device, just to put that out there. So yeah, I'll touch upon that later on. Now I'm gonna get the phone right here just so you can also see what I'm looking at right here. So I'm gonna also be pairing it to it. So I'll just quickly go through it. Download HUAWEI Health. I'm pretty sure it's a HUAWEI phone, so it should already have it. There we go. Next, hopefully I don't need to like log into it. Devices, add, enable, allow. Come on. There we go. Link. Guess I'm gonna log into Google. Can I use it without updating? That would be fantastic. For goodness sake, seriously, I cannot use the... Okay. Okay, so I'm not gonna be actually linking it because I'm not planning to log into this garbage if I can't use it like that. Okay, so well done, HUAWEI. You managed to annoy the hell out of me with your brand new device, which is supposedly good, but I'm not planning to actually go through your stupid little process of trying to figure it out. So going back to what I was actually looking at, let's go back and give you just a base information, because I'm not gonna go through the setup process of this trash, unfortunately. So I have a couple key things that I wanted to go about here. So number one, we have 1.47 inch full view screen, and it gets kind of funny because they say size of the display area is 48% larger. Larger to what? To a cent grain? Like give a comparison. So they do have this 3, so I would have to like scroll down and let's see if they will provide the info at the bottom. Where's the number 3? Compared to HUAWEI Band 4 Pro, data from HUAWEI Labs. Okay, so cool. And also like 140. Larger, I think in this case would be just by like 30 maybe percent. 148% would basically mean that it's 2.5 times bigger display. Press X to doubt. So anyway, we have a couple of information like the that it's an AMOLED display, again with the bullcrap information right here of percentage. We also have screen resolution at 194 by 368 pixels with a 284 pixels per inch. So it is an okay display, and nothing really super fantastic, but hey, it's an okay display. Watch faces, no one cares. 2-week battery life, that's also a nice one. It's one of the reasons why you probably get this, because it does have a decent battery life, though they give you this information that battery life for typical use is 14 days and 10-day battery life for heavy use. Now again, these are all lab versions of it. As you can see, there is also the number right here, so you can check it out what they exactly say, but probably battery life may vary a little bit from what they're advertising right here, so it will vary basically on how you use the device. We have heart rate monitoring, we have blood oxygenation, true relax stress monitoring, so just something that will, I guess, monitor your stress. And obviously it pairs to the Huawei Health app, which is required. Obviously you can download this app basically anywhere. Now if you're using an Android with actual Play services, this app I don't believe is accessible in Play Store, so you need to go to their website and actually download it from their website and then enable like unknown sources and then install it. That's the only way. But yeah, once you get it there, you can pair the device and it should work fine as long as you log in. If you're not planning to log in like I am, this is just a fancy nothing. And obviously this is a fitness band, so it does have a lot of fitness tracking and stuff like that. It allows you also to capture photos with it, and that's about all the worth mentioning things right here. So yeah, so that's about it. Don't get much in the box, just a cable and a band itself, and I can't even pair it, so that's nice. Okay, cool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.